हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एक बढ़िया सा वेजिटेरियन केक अगर आपको चाहिए तो आइए रेसिपी देखिए। मिक्सी जार में ऐड कर लीजिए 3/4 कप ऑफ कर्ड, इक्वल टू कर्ड दैट इज 3/4 कप ऑफ शुगर, एंड द थर्ड ingredient in mixy jar is half cup of oil or ghee. Grind it. 1 tablespoon baking powder, half tablespoon soda, fruit soda, sodium bicarbonate. Mix it. कवर करके रख दो थोड़ी देर के लिए। एक बोल में या दूसरे बर्तन में 1.5 cup मैदा, though I have taken 1 cup maida and half cup of wheat flour. Now we have to add this gradually, the curd thing that we had made, to a bowl of maida. Once this is done, we can add half teaspoon of essence. I am using vanilla essence. You can use any. You can directly grease the pan and use it, but my daughter
Cake
wanted it to
batter.
be colorful, so I made this, and I have added tutti frutti. In fact, not me, Janvi has done it. We can use any method of baking, like you can use cooker with salt or just a stand in it, and then you can bake it. I had used OTG. In OTG, I had kept the temperature for 200 degrees Celsius. Both the rods were used, top and bottom, and the tray was kept in between. As you can see in my pan that soda was reacting a lot, and you might even know that soda reacts a lot with curd, so we have to pat it for 40 times. Thank you Niludi for sharing the recipe with me.